Hello students. Dear students, today we shall study word formation. What is word formation? Word formation means creation of a new word. नवीन शब्द तयार करणं त्याला वर्ड फॉर्मेशन म्हणतात. काय उपयोग आहे याचा? टू एनरिच व्होकॅब्युलरी. नवीन शब्द तयार करून शब्दसाठा वाढवता येतो. देर आर 3 मेन काइंड्स ऑफ वर्ड फॉर्मेशन. कोणत्या पद्धतीने नवीन शब्द तयार करता येतात? बाय ॲडिंग प्रिफिक्सेस, by adding suffixes and making compounds. काय असतात प्रिफिक्सेस? We add prefixes before the base of a word. शब्दाच्या आधी लावतात त्याला प्रिफिक्स म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मल्टी, मोनो, पोस्ट, अन, ऑटो लाईक दिस. आपण हे सर्व नंतर डिटेल बघणारच आहोत. देन सफिक्सेस. काय असतात सफिक्सेस? Suffixes are a letter or group of letters added to the ending of words to change their meaning or function. एखाद्या शब्दाच्या शेवटी जो प्रत्यय लावतात त्याला सफिक्स म्हणतात. सफिक्सेस आर ॲज स्मॉल ॲज एस अँड ed or can be larger such as एशन अँड अस. सफिक्स हे अगदी छोटं म्हणजे एका लेटरचं फॉर एक्झाम्पल एस किंवा ed असं राहू शकते किंवा मोठं सुद्धा असू शकते जसं एशन किंवा es यासारखं. Suffixes change the meaning or grammatical function of a base word or root words. कोणते सफिक्सेस आहेत बघा? लेस, फुल, एबल, ईस्ट लाईक दिस. What are compound words? Compound words means forming a new word by two different words. For example, noun plus gerund, noun plus adjective like this. First we shall see prefixes. Prefix is a letter or group of letters attached to the beginning of a word or root of word. शब्दाच्या सुरुवातीला जो प्रत्यय लागतो त्याला प्रिफिक्स म्हणतात. There are many prefixes and suffixes, but here we shall take only some common prefixes and suffixes. The first prefix is anti. The meaning of anti is against or opposite of. Examples: anticlimax, antinational, antisocial, antiseptic, antibody, etc. Anti म्हणजे अगेन्स्ट किंवा अपोजिट, त्याच्या विरुद्ध. Anticlimax म्हणजे क्लायमॅक्सच्या अपोजिट. Then pre means before or in front of. Example: prefix. Then multi means many. For example, multipurpose, multicolored, multicultural, etc. Then mono means one. Example: monolingual, monorail. Then post means after. For example, post war म्हणजे युद्धाच्या नंतर. वॉर म्हणजे युद्ध आणि पोस्ट वॉर म्हणजे युद्धाच्या नंतर. Then post graduate. Another prefix is un. Un means not or opposite to. For example, unusual, undemocratic, unrealistic, unhappy, unwanted. Then auto means self. For example, autobiography, automobile, autofocus, autopilot. Then circum means around or about. For example, circumnavigate. Then dis. It is used for opposite words: disqualify, dispassionate, distrust, dislike, etc. Then cooperate, coordinate like this. Then non. It is used for negative: non-violence, non-entity. Then tri. For example, tricycle, triangle, tricolor. What is the meaning of tri? 3. Then the prefix bi. Bi means two: bicycle, bisect, bilateral, bilingual. Then mismanage, misplace, misguide, etc. शब्दांच्या सुरुवातीला लागणारे प्रत्यय म्हणजे प्रिफिक्स आपण बघितले. नाउ लेट अस सी सफिक्सेस. सफिक्स म्हणजे शब्दाच्या शेवटी लागणारे. The main purpose of a suffix is to show what class of word it is. For example, noun or adjective. The suffix changes the meaning or grammatical function of a base word or root word. कोणकोणते suffixes आहेत बघूया. Ness. Meaning is a state or quality. For example, cleanliness, awareness, wellness, kindness, darkness, etc. Then shun. SION. Meaning is state or being. For example, expansion, invasion, confusion, tension, compulsion, depression, etc. Then shun. TION. For example, examination, motivation, presentation, temptation. Then the suffix or er. It is used for a person who is something or who performs an action. These suffixes are used to form nouns to describe people who do things. For example, distributor, investigator, translator, conductor, teacher, writer, narrator, etc. Then th. The meaning is state or quality. For example, strength, depth, warmth. Then able or able. The meaning is capable of being. For example, adaptable, eatable. Then al, meaning is pertaining to. For example, natural, criminal, seasonal. Then is or us. The meaning is having qualities of. For example, humorous, fabulous, gracious, etc. Then ew, meaning is quality or nature of. For example, creative, expensive. Then less, the meaning is without something. For example, fearless, restless, hopeless, useless, etc. Then ly, it is a common suffix used to form adverbs. For example, unhappily, naturally, voluntarily, etc. Then ist. By adding this suffix, the word describes a person who performs or practices something. For example, artist. Then full. For example, plentiful, meaningful, cheerful, etc. Then ship. The meaning is a position held. For example, ownership, internship. Then meant. It is used for the action or result of. For example, argument, payment, entertainment, movement, etc. Then dumb. It is used to form nouns. For example, kingdom, wisdom. Then uns. It is also used for making nouns. For example, entrance, maintenance. Then hood. Examples are brotherhood, childhood, neighborhood, etc. It is also used for making nouns. Then ism. It is used for making nouns. For example, optimism, pessimism. Then age. Examples are drainage, mileage, weightage, etc. Then the suffix ik. It is used to make adjectives. For example, economic, drastic, artistic, etc. The suffix an. It is used to make verbs. For example, frighten, sweeten, flatten, etc. Then fy. This is used to make verbs. For example, classify, falsify, beautify, etc. Then ry. This suffix is used to form nouns. For example, bravery, slavery, etc. Dear students, I hope you have understood this topic. In the next video, we shall see the third type of word formation, that is compound words. So keep watching.